welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be using slash unboxing slash reviewing this Dr. Mode 90 Cat Eye Chrome Nail Powder Kit. So this was purchased from Amazon. This is one of the products that my husband got me for Christmas. I have not finished all those hauls. I'm just going to be using random items in videos because it is way too much stuff.
Did want to mention that this kit is only $13, which I think is a pretty good price, and I will have the Amazon link in my description box.
So let's open it up. So quickly, this includes cat eye nail powder, 3 of them, a black nail polish, nail brush, 4 of them, and a strong magnetic stick. So that is nice. So it seems like it has everything needed besides a top coat. Okay, so here's the brushes. They're the extra inserts. All right, so it comes with the S stick and then the regular. I don't know, for me, I guess it's just me, I'm not the best at using this, but I definitely am down to try again. So let's open up these powders. So I did see on reviews that people were saying that there is not enough of the powder in here, and it's mostly stuck to the to the seal, but we'll find. I'm trying not to ruin my peel off base coat, which I should have put on last. Okay, skip you for now. At least you know these aren't gonna leak, because I can't even open them. Okay, so here's the first one. Yeah, there's a lot stuck to the seal, and these pots aren't 100% filled up, but I've gotten the same thing, from other ones that I've ordered. This color looks really, really pretty. There it is on my finger for reference. That's really pretty. So, I mean, you can just take it off of your cap. It's not really a big, not the cap, the seal. It's not the biggest deal, but they should figure out a way that that doesn't happen. And here is the next color. Again, there it is. So let's see. This one does seem to be filled up less, and there's really not that much in here, but you should get away with it. Doing a couple of sets, I would imagine. Really pretty, like purpley, orangey pink shift, I would say. Let's check out the last one. Whoa. You got this really pretty green to blue shift. Okay. And again, not filled up all the way, but not really too surprised about that. Like I said, I've gotten that with other products, so it is what it is there. And for the price, I think it's pretty good. I believe this was some like $9 for this one. So I'm not mad at that. So I saw a couple of ways. I saw that you can actually take a no wipe top coat and mix these powders directly in, or you can just rub them on your nail. I'm not so sure, so we're going to experiment with that. So first, let's check out the black polish that they give. It is 10 milliliters in a glass bottle, so that's nice. Oh, gosh. Ugh. So the good thing about this kit so far is that you are not going to get any leaking because this is hard to open. Okay. Seems to be a nice thick formula. So let's try it out on the thumb. Doesn't seem too bad. Pretty good coverage for black that comes in a kit.
I decided it would be smart to quickly read the instructions.
Take an appropriate amount of no wipe top coat, drop it on the palette. Pick a small amount of cat eye nail powder and mix it with no wipe top coat. The ratio of powder to top coat is about 1 parts to 3 parts. Okay, so let's read that again. The ratio of powder to top coat. So the powder is 1, top coat is 3. So now I'm going to take this palette paper and I'm going to mix it up like they say using a no wipe top coat. So let's get some on here. Might be better if I just pour it out. We'll do a little pile there for one color. There for another color. And the third color. Come on out. All right. So I'm just going to use one of these wooden sticks just to get a little bit of the color going on, and it really said that you don't need much, so I'm not going to use much, and let's see how it goes. What I think I'm gonna do too is, instead of using one of my brushes, I think I'm just gonna take these and just hold it and use them. Okay. So let's brush it on. It's really pretty. Nice. I'm just gonna flip this over and I'm gonna get some of that emerald. We'll do a half and half. Okay, that looks cool. Just gonna do a little, done like this. Get rid of any harsh lines. Okay, happy with that. Let's move this palette. Let's see if I can finally get the S to work. Okay, so the product did move. It's not doing something that I like though. Whoa. Let me just try the regular side for a sec. Bring that color back. This is pretty stuff though. It does work. I think it's just me. I'm not good with the this particular magnetic stick. I don't know why. Okay, so my brother just came by and I went outside to talk to him for a couple of minutes, and the sun cured this magnetic before I cured it. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. That happened to me in the past. I was able to get some of it off, but I'm just doing it over again. So I already applied the green, and instead this time I'm putting that up top. I don't know why. I just switched it. So let's put this on again. That purple. Okay, and like I did before, I'm gonna take the brush and just get rid of a harsh line that may be there. Okay. So what I think I want to do is just something simple, just to still see the pretty sparkles. I don't want to get rid of anything. That is so pretty. I really like this stuff. I want to try to like center it just in the middle, like that. But I'm gonna do a little better of the mixing right there. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna try that green that we haven't used yet. Okay, so I painted my middle finger black, and I did put a no wipe top coat. I cleaned that off. My head is, I don't even know. I cured it. I don't know why I said I cleaned that off. So now I'm gonna try the way where you rub it on. That looks so pretty. I think I want to try and get all three colors onto this middle nail.
After all three colors are on there, I do take that brush and blend in the lines between each color again before using the magnetic stick.
And now taking just this brush, I want to just do the center of my nail.
I'm putting on a no wipe top coat, by the way. I forgot to mention that when I was filming.
Dipping into this brighter green. I'm just gonna go down the center of my nail with the precision side of the applicator. Okay, and now I'm hoping I can do a little purple on the other side. I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but if it doesn't look good, I could always wipe it off. I don't think it's going to show up over the green on this side too well. Oh, it did. Okay. Okay, so here are the finished results. While I really do like this stuff, it was really pretty easy to work with. It was cool that you can use it in powder form and in liquid. The black was really good for a black in a kit, so I did like that. Yeah, I just think the pots weren't filled up too much, but The cat eyes were really, really pretty and beautiful. You know, they seemed pretty normal. So that's good. So I did add some white star stickers, you know, just to add a little something to the nails, but I didn't show that because they were absolutely horrible. I don't know if you can see, but like they did like this weird bubbling thing. These were from Shein, so I'm actually throwing these out right now. I'm never going to use these again. But yeah, this is how these came out. I really did enjoy using this stuff. I think it was pretty good. So that's my take on this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.